In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up or slow down audio in CapCut. Whether you're looking to create a dramatic slow motion effect, speed up a clip for a time lapse, or simply adjust audio playback to suit your project, this guide will walk you through every step. CapCut is a powerful and user-friendly editing tool that's perfect for creators of all skill levels. If you don't already have a CapCut account, you can find the link in the description below to get started. Now let's dive into the tutorial. First things first, open CapCut on your PC or Mac. Once you're in, you'll see the workspace where all the editing magic happens. Now, to begin working with your audio, drag and drop your audio file into the timeline at the bottom of the screen. If your audio is embedded in a video file, that's fine too. Just drag the entire video file into the timeline. The timeline is essentially your workspace. It's where you can arrange, edit, and fine-tune your media, so having your file here is the first step to making adjustments. Next, click directly on the audio clip or the video clip in the timeline to select it. This step is important because it tells CapCut exactly which clip you want to adjust. If you have multiple clips in your timeline, it's always a good idea to zoom in for a closer look. You can do this by using the zoom controls on the timeline. This will help you better distinguish between clips and avoid accidentally selecting the wrong one. Once your clip is selected, look to the top right side of the screen here. You'll find the editing panel, which is where you'll make adjustments. Locate the speed tab within this panel and click on it. This tab is specifically designed for changing the playback speed of your audio. It's where you'll find the controls you need for this tutorial. Under the Speed tab, select the Normal option. This option activates the speed slider, which lets you fine-tune the speed settings of your audio or video. Using the slider is simple. To speed up your audio, move the slider to the right. You can set it to 2.0x for double speed, or even go up to 4.0x for a much faster playback. This is perfect for creating time-lapse effects or adding energy to your project. On the other hand, if you want to slow the audio down, move the slider to the left. You can set it to 4.5x for half speed, which is great for dramatic moments or instructional content, where clarity is key. Now, let's address an important detail, audio pitch. When you adjust the speed of audio, the pitch can change, making voices or music sound unnatural. To prevent this, check the pitch checkbox located just below the normal speed controls. By enabling this option, you can preserve the original tone of the audio even as you change its speed. Keep in mind, though, that results may vary depending on the specific audio file you're working with. Don't hesitate to test and adjust this setting if things don't sound quite right. As you make these adjustments, pay attention to the timeline. You'll notice that your audio or video clip will stretch or shrink, depending on whether you've slowed it down or sped it up. For example, speeding up the clip will shorten its duration in the timeline, while slowing it down will lengthen it. This visual feedback is a great way to see the impact of your changes in real time. Once you've adjusted the speed and pitch settings, it's time to review your work. Play back your project to hear how the changes sound. This step is crucial for ensuring the speed and pitch adjustments fit seamlessly into your overall project. If something feels off, don't worry. You can always go back and tweak the settings further. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment. Adjust the speed slider to different levels and toggle the pitch checkbox on and off to see how it affects the audio. Remember, editing is an iterative process, and CapCut's intuitive interface makes it easy to make changes until you're satisfied with the result. And there you have it. Now you know exactly how to speed up or slow down audio in CapCut while maintaining control over pitch and timing. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.